Today, you will learn how to put 1-inch margin in Word document. First, open your Microsoft Word document. At the top of the screen, click on the Layout tab. Then click on Margins. From the list of built-in margin options, simply select Normal. In most versions of Word, the normal margin setting is already set to 1 inch on the top, bottom, left and right sides of the page. If your Word shows margins in centimeters instead of inches, don't worry. To change centimeters to inches, click File, then Options and select Advanced. Scroll down to the Display section and find Show Measurements in Units of. Open the drop-down menu and choose Inches. Click OK, and now all measurements in Word will be displayed in inches. To verify your margin size, go back to Layout, click Margins, and then Custom Margins. You should see 1 inch entered for the top, bottom, left and right margins. Click OK if everything looks correct. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.